The Saxon genitive in relation to family. When we talk about Saxon genitive, we talk about here in the yellow, this apostrophe is how we do it in English. So, for example, in Spanish, the structure of this sentence is different. It would be the wife of my brother. But in English, we say my brother's wife. Okay, so this indicates possession. My brother's wife. Another example could be my sister's son. So the son of my sister is a longer, less correct way to say it. It's better in English to say my sister's son. This can be confusing for people who are accustomed to saying it in another structure. So you gotta be careful. My sister's son is my nephew. My mother's father is my grandfather. My uncle's daughter is my cousin. And my son's daughter is my granddaughter. My name is Sabrina Doherty from Inglés con Gillian. If that was useful for you, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.